Hello and welcome to the Do-It-Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to change our battery icon that is here in the top right corner on Huawei P60 Pro phone. To change our options, we have to go to settings. We need to scroll down to the battery options here, tap it once, and here we have battery percentage. Now it's next to the battery icon, as you can see here. We can change it. We can use to don't show. Now our percentage is gone. Or we can make it visible inside the battery like here. Let's back to our original setup. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.